The only thing rising faster than the temperature in the Central Valley is interest in the progress of California high-speed rail construction. This is the 2022 Summer Construction Update. During the spring and into the summer, we have welcomed visitors from our board of directors to future engineers interested in the project. The biggest attraction remains the double arches of the CEDAR Viaduct, where the false work has been stripped away and preparations are underway to stress the cables between the arches. The arch cables help support the load of the deck, adding to the stability of the viaduct. On the north end of Construction Package 1 in Madera, the grade separation at Avenue 15.5 is taking shape. In April, all 16 precast concrete girders were placed, and in May, crews set 117 deck panels. Rebar is now being tied on top of the deck, and concrete will be placed to bring the top of the bridge together. In Construction Package 2-3, the deck and concrete barrier rail on top Adams Avenue Grade Separation is complete. Crews are now grading the embankment and will begin work on the roadway in the coming weeks. As of June, crews have installed 156 of the 248 girders needed to form the pergola section of the CONEJO Viaduct. Each girder spans nearly 124 feet long and weighs more than 159,000 pounds. And to the south, at the Elkhorn and Fowler Avenue grade separations, deck panels have been set at both structures less than a mile apart from each other. 176 concrete deck panels were set at Elkhorn and 114 panels were set at Fowler. Crews have also placed concrete for the diaphragms of the structures, the portion of the bridge that helps support the load of the bridge deck between the abutments and the set girders. At the Hanford Viaduct, carpenters can be seen building the false work for construction of the superstructure. More than 900 precast concrete girders will be needed for the superstructure, the first of which will be installed later this summer. A major milestone in Construction Package 4. All precast girders needed for this construction package have been placed. All 12 were placed at the State Route 46 bridge in early July. That comes just a few days after crews completed placing the 15 girders needed at the Merced Avenue Grade Separation. Each girder spanned more than 177 feet long and weighed more than 220,000 pounds. The girders were manufactured by Confab California and are some of the longest girders the company has ever produced. And earlier this spring, the final 4 girders were placed atop the pergola section of the WASCO Viaduct. Iron workers can now be seen tying rebar to form the edge beams that will bring the pergola section together. And to the south, iron workers are also tying rebar for the deck and parapet on top of the pergola. The summer swell continues, as does progress on the high-speed rail project, and now it expands beyond the construction packages. Geotechnical explorations are underway as we prepare to expand construction into the cities of Merced and Bakersfield. That work continues through August. Stay up to date with the California High-Speed Rail project by following us on social media or by visiting us at www.buildhsr.com.